In today's video, we will go over the unboxing and setup of your Jazzy Carbon Travel Powerchair by Pride Mobility. After removing the banding straps from your package, you will see your Jazzy Carbon is beautifully packaged. Carefully remove your Jazzy Carbon from box. You will notice your powerchair, charger box, battery, owner's manual, and your joystick will also be in a protective box. Open up your carbon simply by lifting it straight up until it locks into place. Unwrap your battery box and insert it into your carbon like this. Install your joystick on either the left or right side armrest. Engage both of your rear motors into drive mode. Turn your Jazzy Carbon on and you are ready to enjoy your freedom. Call Automobility Store today if you have any other questions regarding the unboxing and setup of your Jazzy Carbon Powerchair by Pride Mobility. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Tell us where you will take your Jazzy Carbon.